For crying out loud, why does it do that? Okay, but we are here. I keep forgetting that I'm blind. I was like, I feel like something's missing. And then I remembered. The something missing is my damn vision. Oh, I can see clearly now, my glasses are on. Asia High was a ticking. That is edging if I'd ever freaking seen it. Wow. I see I actually didn't miss that much. I know maybe that's rude to say. I mean, there was that double top retrace slightly into. I see that's actually would have been a win. Huh. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Eventually being the key word here. And then it went down, down, down. And then a beautiful freaking bob there. There must have been news or something at that level. And beep, beep. Here, wait, I feel like I'm gonna butcher it again. Shoot. What do you like to be called again? What's up, guys? My people are here, I'm excited.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I'm happy to have my people here. How's everybody? Are we all amazing? Let's see if we're gonna get a nice pop up here. Okay, let's quickly mark out this London low. London low was here. Oh! And damn equal lows. Good grief. I'm gonna put it there twice. A little bit above, because I know it's not 100%, but can give me an idea. Damn, look at that. Interesting. Very, very cool. Let's do this, guys. It's been a very long, hot day. That wasn't bad, that wasn't bad. Okay, yeah, I see I did not miss much. That sounds bad, but yeah, I did not miss much. There was clearly some news happening over here. That's nice, that's nice. Yeah. Otherwise, we're good to go. Nick, not bad, yeah? And the heat has started. I don't know why this room is so bad. It's not actually that bad outside. I think it's just humid. I am dying. Leave me alone. I am dying of heat today. Mother fluffer. There we go. So this just makes my life easier if I do this. Okay. Live sound? You're super sassy so early on in the stream. Good grief. Why are we bullying Maya so early in the stream? So you just had to open up with a bang. But no. What time did I stop? I did not stop at 11:15. You cheeky, you cheeky chops. Good grief. New York Open, look out for 500 level. Good morning, everybody. This is for, well, live sound.
Emotional damage.
Rude. That's for everyone else.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good actual grief. Y'all are bullies. Atlanta, what's up? I've been long since the bottom. Runners. Good night. Oh, I guess. Who's asleep right now? Well, not asleep. Obviously, you won't be here. Where's the nighttime? Right now. There we go. That's what I was trying to get at. Whew. If I weren't so young, I would think I was going through menopause with how freaking hot it is right now. Okay. Daily analysis. Let's do this. Let's just do a quick top to bottom again. Refresh the mind. Okay. Back up to 585 could be quite nice. Tap into this bearish fair value gap and then potentially a continuation back down. If not, it's going to go higher up to the next one. Let's see if it's going to fill that imbalance or not, but I'm assuming potentially a tap in at 585 level. 585 is pretty solid. Okay. Whoop. No, not the 4 minute. Oops. It's dark. Hey, Hog. How you doing? How you doing? How's Australia treating you? Okay, 613. I just want to come take out that top there. Going to cool down, so that's a plus. I'm kind of jealous. What the? Hello, hello, welcome. If I get too uncomfortable and I just randomly get up, it's because I'm wanting to rip my skin off and I'm going to put a different shirt on. You know when something feels uncomfortable that you're like, this is not nice right now. Good. I'm good. A 5 minute bearish SMT off London highs. How much time do I have? I might say screw it and I might put a different top on. What's up, OTT? I'm uncomfortable right now. How goes? How goes? Yeah, no, this is still pretty solid. Okay. 1 hour. There we go. Won't you take me? Okay, done. Tapped into there, didn't take that out. Interesting. OTT, you ready for today? Is everybody ready for today? Is there news? At 4. Okay, so 10 a.m. Damien, what's up? Go have fun. Hi. I've got my entry finding on S&P. Damien, hell yeah, I love it. 9:20. Okay. Let's do this thing. A little bit of an imbalance might tap back in there. Any news? I see there's jolts at 10 a.m. So the opening's either going to be very slow or it's going to be chaotic. Sweet and simply. Okay, I'm going to be right back, or else I'm going to be very uncomfortable, and let's not be uncomfortable. I'm going to quickly change my shirt. This is driving me crazy. I'll be right back. Okay, that's better. I feel like I can breathe. It was actually just way too hot for that, but it's okay. I'm back. I'm ready. I'm ready. Eddie, that's exactly... Okay, breathing good. Breathing good. Let's do this. Okie dokie. We are ready to go. 2 minutes. Ah, look at me. That was a lot quicker than I thought I would be. Winning, if I may just say so myself. Absolutely winning at life right now. Just well, low-key, just kidding. Oh. So we've done top to bottom analysis. We got our levels up and running. Now the question is, are we feeling bulls or are we feeling bears? What are y'all thinking? Bulls or bears? With the open literally a minute away. Bull or bear? Well, either way I can breathe now, right? Hey, Hoodie? What up, Hoodie? I'm trading. Oh gosh. Trading the Nasdaq futures. Guys, on Friday, because it's Good Friday, what's happening? Are the markets open? Is London open? I don't think New York is open. I'm bullish today on YouTube from OTT same. How did you know? So, Machiavelli, you say bearish for you. Bulls, but not for long. I think New York gonna go up to the... I'm gonna be bear after. What about you, Hoodie? What do you trade? Expect to push down to something around 644.
Okay, let's go.
They close early London and New York will be there. I mean, New York will be there. No, New York will be closed, won't it? I thought New York was closed. They close early London and New York will be... Have fun trading today. I'm out to focus on this thing. Nice, enjoy Atlanta. Looks neat here. I'm brand new to trading. Nice! How long have you been trading for, Hoodie? Or, well, what made you start trading? How long have you been trading? Tell me your thing. Price actually shows Europe market's closed, but New York trading. Oh, what? I heard the opposite. I heard New York was closed. Now I'm confused. Yes, as always. No, they close it. Oh, they close at 1:30 p.m. EST. Oh, cool. Okay. First 20 minutes I'm out. I found a trade off when everything slows down. Not yet. 3 minutes active. 3 years learning. Whoa, that's insane. And how's it been treating you now that you've been active for 3 months? Meh. Happiness, sad. New York high taken. That was a solid push. Was a bit of a liquidity grab. Oh, ES is dropping. NQ's pushing. Oh, I hate it when it does that. Hey, Eugene, what's up? 500 countdown. Whoa. Whoa, whoa! Hold your horses. Good grief. I need to learn more because I have a long list of things I need to get in order. I hear that, Hoodie. I don't think you ever stop learning, though, to be fair. Hey, Eugene. Well, I mean, just started, so let's see. Not gonna be bearish. Ain't a bad idea. Build for about 25 minutes. Let's see how this acts here. I promise you if this goes sideways. I see even after I left it kind of stayed kind of going sideways. There was a little bit of activity over here, but hasn't been amazing. Would it maybe be best to wait for jolts? Maybe. Oh, okay, so not a first presented yet. Cool. Cool. You need this thing to speak. I agree, Bob. This whole thing has been looking sideways the whole day. Do you think maybe jolts would bring some oomph to the party? Boom chicka boom chicka boom chicka boom chicka boom chicka boom chicka. That's me partying, guys. It looks wild. I need to watch. Hoodie! Yeah, so Hoodie, just to give you an idea, I've only been trading for a year, so you probably know more than me, believe it or not. I am on a funded account now. I did pass my eval. I mean, this thing, it's getting there, slowly but surely. And then for the day, I got 20 points in the London session. Hey, whoop whoop, Eugene, that is amazing. So 120 points is insane, well done. This retest here was not too bad, actually. Okay, Bob's Bob. Let's see how we react here. Thank you for the inspiration. I got you. I only got 2 different function models for both balance and imbalance as well. Hey, that's exciting, Eugene. What? Hey, Dom. Sorry, guys. I think I was struggling to breathe in that other thing, and now my body's just like oxygen. 35 points I got from London session. Listen, green is green, people. Green is green. Okay, so Dom, you're wanting to enter here. I don't know, let's wait for some more confirmations. Let's make sure this thing's not going sideways. SMT was created. NQ is pushing. ES is not. It's not allowing the push. That's interesting. Can I help you? Oh, thanks, Hoodie. You're a sweetie pie. Love the attitude. Green is green. Literally, green is green. I think the one day I made $4 and I was like, oh my gosh. No, I lied. I didn't make $4. I think I made like, was it 60 cents? Frick, that was actually really funny. Oh, that was a funny day. I made like 60 cents and I was like, you know what? Green is green. I don't even care. Looking forward for New York for another 40, then I'm done for the day. Looking like we might have a nice move up at some point, but need some more liquidity taken from below. Live sound, I agree. Do you think Jolts is gonna jolt it into action? Oh man! I'm so lame. Anyways. Good rejection off of there. How are we looking for time-wise? So I'm pulling a face because this is literally the 5-minute candle. Decent-ish reaction off of it though. Oh man, please don't say this is just gonna be sideways again. London sucked. It would be nice to have some movement that's not horizontal at this point. Yeah, thank you, Live Sound. I think I'm funny. I can see I owe you to control her. $500 countdown. Okay. So Umi still thinks it's gonna go to 500. And potentially it could still wick up there. A first presented has yet to present itself. So that's fun. Shall this be jolted awake? Dun dun dun. Ooh, decent rejection off of that midpoint. I'm totally down with the dad jokes. Yeah, listen, guys. They're really bad. They are really, really bad. But like I said, I think I'm funny. I know I'm most likely not at all. Not even a little bit, but we have fun here. That is the important thing. We have fun here. Apart from the fact that this is going sideways. Damn it. I have no idea. Trading, but everything. But what? You're funny. I enjoy being. Aw, thank you, Claudie. You're cool. You can stay. Literally anyone that wants to support one another in this trading community is welcome to stay. If you're here to be a judgy, meanie, negative meanie pants, and you can. There's the door. I'm. It's making me sad. I was expecting things, maybe only after jolts. Got 20 minutes. You've got this. We broke 930 and we go up. Damn, as I said that. No longer S&P, still holding, move to break even. Now I just let it ride. Nice, Damien. Whoop whoop. What does that indicate, Bubs Bob? Unfortunately, it's not a... It's a secret source indicator. I'm special, so... I have it. I'm special. So no one else has it. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Bob made a deal. When I reach 20k subscribers, he'll make it free and available to everyone. We love this woman in these mysterious Bob levels. I know. Dun dun dun. Hey, Vasu, what's up? Get to 25k first. Oh, was it 25k? Okay, there we go. 20k was something. 25k was something else. I have... What, do you have the secret source? No ways. Am I coming in 3 minutes? Now that was a rejection off of there. Oh, 20k is the CL levels. Okay, that makes sense. What situation do you trade Ganbox? The one where there's trend. Like an obvious trend and retest. 10k bots. DJ, what's up? I gotta hit that level a few times if it's gonna push through. Well, sweet and simply, if my setup presents itself, I will take it, but it has yet to present itself to me. So we shall just proceed. If that's a proper rejection. What does this look like on the 5-minute right now? Vasu, what of the GAN box? It's hit it twice on the 1-minute chart. 512, here we come. Sorry, guys. You know when you're a little bit overstimulated and nothing feels right? Like everything is irritating me. Okay, I'm just gonna sit like this. Oh, you guys are about to... Might start throwing things around. Gambox, I can show you even... So earlier it happened here. It was a decent range to see we had a decent fair value gap happening over here. It did retest it a few times, but it ultimately would have worked out. Not badly. This scan box, one, it was very close to stop loss. This one, unfortunately, didn't, but that was a little bit greedy of me. I should have left it alone. But I'll show you proper examples now. Promise. Too much coffee? I wish. I only had my 1 cup this morning. I haven't had anything else. I think it's just been a very frustrating day, guys. And it's very hot and irritating. But it's okay. Louis, I wish. If I had too much coffee, I'd be like, it's that. It's just one of those one of those days of feeling overstimulated. Like you feel uncomfortable. Even in your own skin. That's how I'm feeling right now. Like if I could rip my skin off of my body, I freaking would. This sucks. This really, really sucks. You can hear everyone trade and see something different and most of the people make money. Oh, yeah, basic Claude. I know, it's the most amazing thing about trading. No one is the same. Are we finally gonna break up? Break up with your man. 36 gallons of orange juice. Gosh. Orange juice? What does orange juice do? Here we go. Yes. Yes! We have our first presented fair value gap. It only took 5 ever, but we have it. If this entry was a little bit higher around here, this would actually be a little bit of a better entrance. Pity. Do you think it's gonna want to come and retest this first presented again? Day 5, I'm cheating the funded account. Wow. Your entry was the 9:30. Not bad, Dom. Not bad at all. I'm going to see a bit more of a decent break above. Are we going to retest it afterwards? No, I'm only trading Ganbox strategy. No, I have still been forward testing the Bob's Bob level. I'm calling it, it's going to reach 600. No ways, DJ. Reversal at 300. And the monkeys are back. That was decent. Okay, guys. Okay, then. Shoot. There it goes. Ah, dagnabbit. It's going freaking bob to bob, it is too. Oh my gosh, calm down, please. It's actually gonna hit my draw. Wait, OTT, did you get in? Hey, Muddy, what's up? Nate, that makes absolutely no sense. How is it useless if you move it like that? You have to follow the range. But anyways, one more partner. Yes, smart. Where are you getting in? Hey, Muddy, how are you doing? OTT. Strong. Oh, that would have been actually quite nice. Rather nice. Pity. Okay, lost that information. That's fun. That's irritating. Discord. Oh, got it, OTT. It could mean that a reversal could, you know, is yet to come. I want to see it take out the top there. Hey, Debbie, what? I see big buy orders on the footprint. Entering now would be wise. But retests here, it would be nice. Oh my gosh, stop. Stop. Just stop. Seems to be building the floor a little bit. Oh, never mind. Consumer and Jolts is coming in 7 minutes. Shoot. Never mind then. Sorry, I don't like to be in a trade when news hits. I'm so salty. I've been waiting for logs. Oh no. Sorry, Debbie, where you at? Stop. Should have shown. Interesting. It's my bulbul. My bulbul. Cheers, Dom! Mark is gonna break and retest after shots. Just cam, I'm also buying. Yay, nice chill dude. I should actually get fun of this account by cheating. Oh, that's fun, Debbie, I think. Maybe not. Pity. That just ran away, but this is a solid Bob's Bob level. I need to learn how to enter into the Bob levels once it runs away. I was about to say that missed it by a tick. I was like, whoa. And into Bob level. Okay, so now be a little bit cautious of it. Let's see what it does. Right, Bob? There we go, draw hit. Nice. That's cool, but having... That's fair. Second. Watch and see what's happening. Like I said, I'm wanting to like, everything is irritating me. Okay, that feels a little bit better. I can cope with that. That feels a little bit better. Hopefully everything stops wanting to irritate the living daylights out of me. Whoop whoop, everybody! Damn! Everyone's having a winner chicken dinner day. Ah, Jolt you. Meanie Benini. No, reversible, go back up. The bus completely. Should I flip short or be done? OGT, it's a little bit of a tricky one, hey? I was potentially considering this, but I didn't like that I tapped into the Bob level. And we then created a bit of an inverse fair value gap. Hey Bubble Tea, what do I think about upcoming news? Is Nasdaq up or down? Was this potentially setting up for a sell? Maybe. Could be possible for it to actually be setting up for a sell. No, Louis just ran away. I don't know how to get in when it just runs off without me, like when it does that, the only way would be to mark it in, which is not great for me. I was waiting for more confirmations. I wanted to get the confirmation, then it just went off without me. Literally, as I was setting this up, this just came out of nowhere. So I was like, oh, okay then. So not even trigger shy, just... I'm not bad with the bob to bob levels, but when it does this thing of just disappears without a trace, I haven't quite figured out how to enter into them yet. Now we've had a proper suite of some buy-side liquidity here. Let it run and catch the retest. Entering on FOMO is always a loss. Exactly. You just market in. Yeah, I see it, but I know me, and I know me marketing in is bad. I've never had a good experience with marketing in. For me, and my psychology, marketing in is bad, bad. Bad, bad. You can show me, Louis. How do you do it? Just gotta wait for a nice pullback. Patience is key. I do agree. Yeah, so buyers are still in this thing. Entry 460, stop loss 500, TP 600. Ah, winning, DJ? Seriously? Take a little 200 win to get my second funded pass. And likes out, whoop whoop, that's amazing! Seriously, whoop whoop. I really not good signal for vision. Needs a lot of data levels. Tomorrow, new day has come. 12 AM for me, nice. This was another point of interest over here. That's not ideal. That's not ideal. Whoopsies, oopsies. What am I freaking pressing? If we don't do that, that's bad. Oh, I spelled that like a chop. Oh well. Oh, we will need to have held it looking at those candles, but was waiting on a candle to wipe me out. Check 5-minute chart and see if it holds. No, stop loss is too tight. Okay, be careful trying along here. We just took out major buy side. I know OTT, that's what I'm also kind of like, nope, not too happy with this. Sorry, I'm laughing at the missing candle on the 5-minute. Okay then. Well, at least for this much. Whipsaw indeed. Who's got funded with the Alpha Futures account? Okay. Actually says file trainers for rentals now. This is when I tried, I would be keen to take our shorts. I hold my trades very often, even if it sometimes goes badly. Makes me happy. Have you ever watched The Rumors? No, what's that? Danzy, you love my transparent. Oh, of course, that's the whole point. Be open and honest about everything. Just everything. Guys, I don't know how to deal with myself right now. I feel like a problem. This is very weird. Anyways. What the heck, man? Look at that 15-minute candle! Meh. What in the actual world is that? I'm projected actually which isn't down month to month, so realistically bullish news. 40? No, I have not. It's a YouTube channel? That's cool. RTT, yeah! I'm fine. It's not fair, I'm gonna just take the next PDA that presents itself with smaller risk. Possible 3-bar play. No, I don't do trades at all, sorry. Go shout at the monkeys for a minute to get the energy out. It's not even the energy. I am still in green for the day, believe it or not. Stop you from entering into an emerging trend. Let's see, out of curiosity, I had it set like so. I feel like me pulling my face says enough. Yeah, definitely would not have liked that trade. 5 minute. Nah. We appear to be coming back down. Oh, that's cool. But, well, I still have my funded. I wouldn't say it's saved. But I have it. This could easily rip up into the 600s. Yeah, that would have taken me out. Checky, checky. So, Hannah, I said tomorrow. Tomorrow. We are not at tomorrow yet. You and I both know that. What exactly was Watermelon Asia High? Oh gosh, that was taken a while ago, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, it was here at 406. Yeah, 406. Nope, still going. Kitty. Mikowabe, what's up? Did 500, 577 already hit? Yep, it did. I haven't, Louis. I must have a look at the 3 minute. Sorry, guys. Like, literally, if I don't know. I do not know what's going on with me today. Like I said, it's been a very, 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 very hectic week, and it's only Tuesday. Is it only Tuesday? Yeah, it's only Tuesday. Can we test the 495? Should seen it coming. What's my favorite to trade? Do you mean like timing? Or, well, I trade the Nasdaq futures, so I guess that counts as my favorite. It's my only, but it's my favorite. A liquidity sweep is real, I do agree. But now is it gonna retest it? And then go back up? Someone enjoyed the stop loss and profit. Ah, Louis, thanks. Yeah, let's see, Maddie. I'm waiting to see if some opportunities do present themselves. It retests further. Patience pays, patience pays, patience pays, right? Yes. Patience pays. The best markets to trade with my edge for sure. Interesting, Damien. Have you tried others out of curiosity or not really? Sorry, I know I'm being very, very quiet. This is a nice pullback to go along. Let's see what's up, Q. That news did not do as expected. Does it ever? I think we'll touch previous day high. What's up, learning essay? How you doing? See, this is where the confliction comes in. Some people think this is going to keep going up. Others believe it's reached its top for today and it's going to start headed down. Back down to 375. No ways. Would have tapped in, but this is a bit of a... I mean, decent rejection off of there. At this point, I'm 50-50. Oh, yeah. Sure, that would have been quite a nice entry, actually. Oh well. This range is just a tad bit too big for me currently. See if we get something good soon. I'm gonna short update. How did we go to previous state then down, but let's see what Madam was gonna do. Sorry, it shows the 100-point wick. That was yesterday. I just took buys again because still all the signals look like it's gonna go, but who knows? Thank you, Nisa. It took a few years, but that's cool, Damien. There we go. And is it just here? It's about to trade 3 micro contracts with Nasdaq. No, not really, DJ, depending on your stop loss and how much you're risking. Trade and process. Yeah, potentially back down to here. Let's see. But it feels like cheating. Why? Why does that feel like cheating? Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll be right back. I don't know how to fix this irritation that I'm feeling. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Feel a little bit better. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, if we break the zone, we go to the last high. I see that we are struggling to break below. But that's okay, I think. Retested the fair value gap, but is not closing above the 50%, so that's promising. For that short OTT. It's shorting nicely on ES. Maybe you should have taken the trade on ES. Oh, okay. It's not bad. Open part above. Oh, it's risk high. Davian, but I mean, that makes sense. Hey! Hey, Bob, what's up? Just very uncomfortable in my skin right now. I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Open the window, let some air in. We should be good. That was an okay rejection over there. Game over for who? Crypt raise, what's up? You know what? MES might actually be the next way to go. Maybe when I start a new eval, I'll try it on MES. MES looks like it just respects points a little bit better, which is nice. 623. 23951. Good grief. Yep, so that would have definitely hit stop loss. But I've gone down a little bit first though, so that's cool. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. What's up, Jean-Pierre? How you doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I'm waiting for an opportunity. Waiting for an opportunity to present itself. But nothing just yet. Okay, Maddie, I got you. How long have I been trading? Hey, unknown hacker, what's up? Are you gonna hack me? That seems mean. How long have I been trading? I've been trading for nearly a year. 14th of April. Oh! Oh no. Oh no. I just realized something. Oopsies. So, good and bad news. My horses are going back up to Joburg. Yay! But they are going a bit before me. They're going on the 13th of April. I just realized that the 14th of April, when I kind of wanted to do a, you know, 1 year, whoop, 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 I'm not going to be here. So I'm not going to be trading the 13th or 14th of April because on the 13th, I'm going to be driving up with the horses. And on the 14th, I can only get a later flight back down the side. Well, that's irritating. The opportunity is now, doesn't matter. Oh, thank you. Wait for that to be a cupboard. Prepare for that to be my favorite. Noted. I think OTT. No, OTT is still good. I'm close. Am I gonna erase my horse? No. No, OTT is still good. Where's your TP at, OTT? Damn it, $100. Hey Azam, what's up? How you doing? Okay. I'll buy gold. Look at the M pattern. Been a good day for ICT. Has it? What strategy am I using? What's up? Arena? quite an M pattern. To be fair, I'm really bad at spotting patterns. Like, really bad at spotting patterns. OTT, out of curiosity, why didn't you hop out when it was back in profit? Tristan, what's up? How you doing? Atlanta, welcome. How you doing? Just finished. You use what? Alchemist, what's that? Just finished my first trade of the day. Whoop whoop, Atlanta. No, OTT won't revenge trade. OTT learned his lesson from yesterday. No revenge trading today. Don't do it, be better. Very clear zone from Bob to bomb. Have to break Bob then up. Yeah, let's see though. I'm not convinced, Dom. This has to push really high and it's taken out a bunch of buy-side liquidity. What on earth is happening right now? Can't lie that I've learned that lesson more than once. Is it trading strategy? I did. What? You did 1 to 17 R's with it? What on earth? Send it again. Turtle soup. I'm currently waiting for buys. No, I don't use turtle soup. I have a feeling it's just teasing and you'll end up at TP without getting tagged. Wow, this price action's now gone meh. Again. Seriously, it's just gone meh. But if you trade ICT, just falls into false concept and only use the true ones. That's interesting. That's very interesting. Hmm? Da 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 da. 10:26. Do we think we might see something good at half past? Maybe it's waiting for... I don't know. Anything. The close of the 15. Another 20 bucks. Yeah, it went full meh. Maybe one. Where's the second? Where it is? MSNR. Never heard of it. OTT, are you still here? I wonder if OTT is still here. He's waiting to do a proper sweep. I know. Right, bed. Cheers, buddy. Enjoy. You look like a feast today. I appreciate that because I feel like garbage. Nice to DM. Will be massive for this long. Now, Muddy, have fun. Goodbye. Hope you have a
nice
night. My whole thumb just clicked out of place. Anyways. Let's do this. Sorry. We all know I'm weird. We all know I'm weird. Oh no. OTT? Why didn't you take this long though? From where? No nice setup for me here. Ooh, nearly reached the 50% up there. Interesting. Pity. Can you imagine? Ah. Anyways, sorry. Very random. Yeah, God, Marshall looking fabulous. The crazy work. Oh no.
That's what she said.
What message? What is a nice setup for me? Nothing here. Like earlier, let's give an example. Earlier, if it had come to retest further down, this idea, if it had come to retest back into here and gone back up, that would have actually been quite a nice entry. This would have been a very nice setup, but it obviously did not come back to retest that far down. Unfortunately. Wait, engineering liquidity. Bam bam. Ba-da-da-da-dum. Ba-dum. OTT is gone quiet. It makes me think that whoopsie daisies. He's locked in. All given up. No! No! This is not terrible. Okay, I'm starting to calm down. Okay, I'm feeling better. Liquidity is at 23700. Love my malicious. Global buy interest of low. Okay, let's get this. Okay. OTT has just thrown the mouse and keyboard off the balcony. He's still good though. He's still in this.
Emotional damage.
Interesting. Very interesting. Let's see how this goes. I'm not gonna take this for one reason and one reason only. As you can see, clearly, mentally, I'm not in the right state to be taking anything right now. I'm, yeah, not in the correct state to be taking anything right now. OTT, do you know what? This doesn't look terrible. Just saying. But have we passed the hour? Oh, can't even take it. We've passed the hour. Can't take Bob to Bob past an hour. Bob quotes! We love Bob quotes! Bob quotes! Burp, 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 burp. Don't be mad at me. I forgot Bob quote Friday last week. That is disgusting. Here we go. Have we decided? Nope. We have not decided yet. Oh no, OTT. I'm sorry. What kind of juice I can get from an all new sources? Welcome, thanks. That MSNR stuff. Interesting, Louis. Hey, don't do that. I'm buying. It breaks my confidence. Sorry, children. My bad. My bad. Oh, it is what it is. You are so sweet. Thank you. Oh boy, good luck trading against our lungs. Okay. Don't worry, OTT, me and you both feel like this today for some reason. Ready? I see. Okie dokie, it's solidly stuck there now. I see. Let's just go down. Wait, are we up to date? Though we kind of are. Not by a lot, but we are still up to date. Just saying. Okay, there I would have been tagged in. Like I said, can't take Bob to Bob after the hour's up. And it's in a very yucky spot right now. Cheers, cheers, Muddy! You'll owe me a cookie if this works out. Those who said, yeah, you're going against, you owe me a cookie if it works out. Okay, no. Going down. Stop loss hit on both sides. What do you mean? Entry would have only... Okay, let's draw this here. This would have been entry. This would have been the trade. Bakari, yeah? You good? I need to monitor my trades too. Bye! What do I owe you? A cookie! Okay, I'm break-even partial. Nice! OTT, so you re-entered this. What was number one? This is not a revenge trade, I swear. If it was your model, then it's fine, right? As long as it was your model, OTT, then it makes no difference. You mean the market took both sides of your red? That makes no sense. I don't understand what that means. Ah, for the retail traders. Got it. Never mind, I get it. I was very confused there. I was like, what? But I'm not in a trade. No, that does not work. Okay, still in this little bit of a deciding zone. Tokyo will have fun trading tonight, big shorts. It's not taking her out, it's nice. Let's go along. Let's see, it might take out this liquidity. Oh, or not. It is in a bit of a weird zone right now. Now this is starting to look like an M formation. Now it's starting to look like an M. This wasn't A plus, previous was just an A or B plus, wasn't a clear 15-minute point of interest. Where was your entry at, OTT? Did you just mark it in? Whoop whoop for OT2! I don't know, these past few days have been mad stressful. But yeah, OTT, did you mark it in? I'm curious about that. That didn't work. The wick that entered the 1032, the candle body is the ICT. Oh, okay. Nice, nice, nice. That was a good rejection off of there. Or reaction. I refuse to mark it in. Okay, you sound like me, OTT. I'm also like, meh. Huh, watch this freaking thing work out. And for my, it's a sign. Nice, Robocop. Cheers, Muddy. The body, not the wick. Oh, damn, so your entry was up here? Hey, Calvin.
What's up?
Back down we go, question mark? Oh yes, there do be fights going on. Nice. Rough. One last salt in there. Skin in the game. Well, Bob, I didn't take it, but nice to know that I had the correct idea with this one. Back towards Midnight Magnet. Hey, Glavano. Yes and no. Oh, wait, never mind. Very nice. You know, it takes much longer to learn to trade in live than demo and then live. Yeah, I know. I saw it now, Bob. That's a pretty big trade. No, can't blow that this time. Whoop whoop. Okay. So that actually would have been a whoop whoop. Who owes me a cookie? Someone owes me a cookie. I said if this works out, I get owed a cookie. Because everyone's saying I was trading against all the buyers. Where's my cookie? I want my cookie. It's been a long day, I deserve a cookie. Oh, speaking about a long day. Guys, tis, OTT, whoop whoop, well done. I'm so proud of you. OTT, that is amazing. On that amazing note, it's butterfly of the day. Let's do this. Let's do butterfly of the day. Let's see, this morning's one was quite cool. Can I just say? Okay, let's change this up. Let's go this way. Stop. This is quite pretty. So this one's called a Raid Blue. Look at it! Okay, today's butterflies were on fire. They're pretty damn cool. I like today's butterflies. Today's butterflies are awesome. Second butterfly of the day. Yeah, you have to do one during each. On this on. Anyways, so wingspan of 15 to 25 millimeters. He's a little buddy. Sun usually found singly or in small groups. Distribution is widespread from Western Cape and grassy edges of Karoo to grassland, forest, and savanna in Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, and Limpopo. Okay, so they're kind of everywhere. And Northwest provinces. Habitat is flatlands, hillsides, forest edges, parks, and gardens, and coast. Flight period is year-round, more numerous in the summer. Oop, I nearly forgot it's a Latin name. Actazera lucida. I feel like I nailed that. Actazera. No, I butchered it. Trying to say it again. That butterfly of the day. Very nice. Now we can go back to the charts. Just checked and it just tapped me in tomorrow. Ta-da! Now, that was not a bad rejection off of there. Alrighty then. Let's see what we get. One more trade, then a payout. No, man, OTT, you've got this. I know you hate it, but you really remind me of a little year one teacher when you do butterfly talk. Yeah, you can make a wabe. Would be billionaires. Oh, can you imagine? It'll be so nice. With real markets as well. Oh, it's coming back. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I might end stream a tiny bit early today. To get, I don't even know what. Maybe I need to go punch a pillow. Do you think punching a pillow will help? Punching people feels better than a pillow, just saying. Yeah, but I don't have anyone to punch. Who would I punch? No one here for me to punch. Also, that's mean. What did they do to me? High volatility today. Are you talking about my mood? Sorry. That was not funny. Also, wait. Also, there we go. What's up, Mike? Okay, okay. I'll have to do all of those then. Let's see, a decent breakdown. Let's see how it reacts off the first presented here. That wasn't bad. That would have been a freaking nice trade. Well then, okay. Where's David? He hasn't been here in a while. Oh, I think he was here in the morning. Look juicy long though. Congrats to the shorters. Having coffee, enjoying the rain. I'm jelly. We could use with some rain. That fourth breakout in input consumer sell was much more powerful. Not today. Yesterday it's been so stressful for me. I need a chart break. OTT, but I mean, are you gonna trade on Friday? Are you not doing something for Easter? Wow, that did not retest at all. Back down to 345, I'm calling it. Hey, oh, there's another DJ. What's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Yeah, you can never take a break. Nah, you really could never. See if this retests back up. I don't know if I'd want to see it retest back up to there. I mean, it's going against quite a bit if it does that. It's about to tap into VWAP early, well, on ES. Earlier when it did that, that was like the bounce to the buy side. Let's see how it reacts here. Your top step? No, I'm doing top one futures. Yeah, a few people are doing a few different things. The entry. Damn, Bob, what the heck, man? Seriously, what does this look like on the 5 minute? Wow. Okay. Just wow. DJ, it depends on the day. Like I took two earlier. I would have potentially taken this one. Yeah, would I? Anyways, don't know if I would have actually taken. No, I would not have taken that one because it's past the hour. Would have been a win, but doesn't matter. That one wouldn't have reached. This one would have. It really depends on the day and the market type. What I'm doing for Easter is supporting it, FB. Oh, Calvin, what? Let me see. Let me see what's happening. 38925. What on earth is this, guys? Whoa. To be fair, Bob, at this point you could probably trail your stop loss a little bit. Maybe just move it beneath this Bob level at this point. This thing is just going. It took out a little bit of this liquidity here. Let's see. Okay. Not doing it. Okay, sorry. We all. OTT, if it remove your stop loss. OTT, no, you can't say that. Do it, do it, do it. Don't do it. Nah, do it, do it, do it. You've got this. Did it take you out? Did it miss you? Did it take you out? Hey! Whoop whoop Bob! Wow, me and OTT were so invested in that. That was amazing. Whoop whoop! What the heck? That was insane. OTT, you also deserve that huge whoop you got earlier, by the way. Everyone that's been having a winner chicken dinner, seriously, well done. Well done. Am I hating on Bob? Not at all. Back from the restroom to see a TP. Nice, Louis. So pump before news and then sold the news, typical, basically. $134 point banger, that's impressive. Bob casually catching 100 points. Yeah, just like whatever. 134 points, just meh. All in a day's work, right? No! Oh no, sorry DJ, no. Damn, you think I'm happy? Hey, Mike, whoop whoop to you as well. Seriously, that is awesome. I'm so proud of all of you. You guys are so good. Well done. One day when I'm big. That just ran away, but it's fine. And both you my trades once again. I know, I did see. Or did you want me to join you? I mean, it would have been awesome, but yeah. Guys, this is very irritating. I want to keep trading, but I don't think it's a good idea. Yeah. I might have to call it early today. Honestly, I took that trade based on the missing thing that I mentioned. Took a chance and it paid. Nice! Geez, that market's tanker. I want a nice retracement for a short. David, that would be nice. UK channel, what's up? If I stay, you might see me rip my skin off of myself. What about Siren? What about Siren? What? Who? Yeah, that was an intense short. Whoever got in on that, well done. Seriously, well done. Is this the retracement now? This could be the retracement now. Would be interesting to see if this works. This doesn't look like a terrible trade, to be fair. Retracing back up, we got the first presented. I mean, it did not give a damn about the first presented there, but still. Got the first presented. Damien, where would your entry be at? It's gonna continue to be a short until 3:30. It's basically just headed back to the midnight. Okay, about to tap into VWAP there. Let's see. This would potentially be the entry. I don't know. We're freaking going back up to Bob. This could go again, Bob to Bob. I don't know what you're talking about, OTT. I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay, I want to see how it reacts at the 0.5 level. If it's just gonna be doing crazy daisy things. Is it gonna reach it? Are we gonna have a rejection? I'm just being really focused right now, just on the candles moving. It helps. Okay, oop. Okay, just tapped into the 0.5 level. But this is not the full range though. That is the only thing. Would have been a nice bob trade right here. Interesting. That's what I'm kind of hoping to see. Let's see if it reaches up there or not. Levels. Pretty deep retracement. It might hit or don't. Either way, I'm in profit for the day. Ah, there we go, Damien. So then it doesn't matter. Bob's Bob. Anyways, whatever. Just made another. Damn, Mike. What the heck, man? I wanted to see if this is going to be a successful trade or not. I know I'm not taking trades, sorry. As you can see, mentally, not a bad space. Not a bad space. No, that's not right. Mentally, not great. If you're not in a great mental state, don't trade. You're just gonna ruin everything by doing dumb things. That is my reasoning. Sorry, guys. Mike, are you still paper trading or have you gotten... Yeah. Wow, it don't give a damn about this first presented. Very nice wick off of there. Alrighty then. And I entered price 420. Oh my gosh, back to this 420 level. Seriously? 420. That's all I've been hearing the last 2 days? We're on Tuesday. 420. I don't know why. Now it respected the first presented a little bit. Okay. I think this might bounce off the first presented and go up. I don't discuss my financials. My bad, my bad. 420. I don't even do that, Louis. Not my thing. She'll do one on something stupid. I'm lying. You should blank out your balance. Why? Why, Marty? Why should I blank out my balance? Oh, so many questions. How are you doing, Marty, by the way? Long time no see. Happy as usual. Amazing. Okay, but still, Marty, why should I blank out my balance? I have questions. So many questions, and no. And okay, so stop loss definitely would have been hit there. Well, Louis, I'm weird, so meh. Okay, full range is this one. This now looks like it's going back up. Seriously? Interesting. Okay. I know it's a tad bit early today, guys, but I'm gonna be calling it. I don't know what I need to do to calm myself down, but anyways. We're fine. Oh, we're fine. Anywho, okay. And then I'm gonna call it for today. I actually wanted to see how that trade would have played out. Glad I did not take it, but it's fine. I'll be back tomorrow, fresh, ready to rumble. I don't know. I think my whole body is just kind of low-key seized up. It's been a very long week, and it's Tuesday, guys. It's Tuesday. It's fine. It's fine. I love you guys madly. I'm sorry, DJ. Look at all those bobs. I know it's ridiculous, Bob. I'm sorry. I love you madly. Don't worry. I promise I'll give you guys extra time tomorrow. How about that? I feel like that's a deal. Tomorrow I'll be on for longer. Okay. You guys are amazing. Thank you for joining. You guys are amazing. Yeah, thanks for joining. Sorry about today. I promise I'll be back to normal. Whatever my normal is. Tomorrow. Okay, you guys are awesome sauce. Trade safe if you're still trading this. This looks like so much fun. I'm kind of bummed, but it is what it is. Trade safe. You guys are awesome. See you tomorrow, London and New York session. Okay. Be good. I love you guys. Bye.